how to put your product on your shop. And if you want to put your product, there are two ways you can do it. And today I'm going to show you one way. And the first way is to click on this yellow icon here, which says add new product. So when you click on it, you have a pop-up like this. Now, when you have a pop-up like this, the first box shows you the kind of product you want to create. We have some options such as simple products, variable products, and grouped products, external product. Now, mostly you will use one, two, three, and for today, I'm going to show you variable product because that's the one mostly you will be using. Variable product has to do with product which has different colors, or let's say different sizes and maybe different prices, or you want people to be able to choose. So the first thing is you click on variable product because I'm going to create a product which has different colors. Now, when you click on this catalog, then it means you don't want to sell the products to people from the front end. You want them to ask you about the price, then you will tell them. So I'm not going to use that. I want people to click and buy. So I will not check this box. Now, what is the title of my product? My product is, let's say, Ultra Thin 2.4G wireless mouse. I have my product name, then I click on next. Now it comes, what category does my product fall under? And this is an electronic good, so you have to choose like electronics, and you can equally choose as many as you think your product falls under. And I'm just gonna leave it like electronics and maybe choose general goods, accessories, game accessories, smartphones, television. Yeah, I'll go with this for now. Now, tags are like keywords you think people will be using to search for their product. And I think when people want to buy mouse, they want to go with something like wireless mouse. And you can put a comma to separate one from the other. Some will also want to go with Bluetooth mouse. And some can also go with laptop mouse or maybe laptop wireless mouse. So whenever someone search for any of these, the system is going to automatically show them my product. Yes, that's how it is going to be. Oh, why is it not? Okay, so from here, catalog visibility. I think for here, don't touch anything because this is the best option. You want your products to be shown on your shop, and when someone is searching, your product should show. If you change it like maybe shop only, it means your product will not be shown when someone is searching for wireless mouse. But I don't want that. I want it to be shown when people are searching so that they can see it and buy. And also you have the option to use search only. You don't want to show it on your shop, but you want people to see it only when they search for it, which isn't good. And here you want to hide it completely from the general public. So I will go with search and shop. Now you click on next. Now here is the images you want to upload for your products. So let me quickly go and I click on this button, and as I don't have images, I click on select files. Now on my desktop, I have some images such as red. Okay, so I have red. Okay, so this is my mouse and it's here. So I click on select. Remember, you have the option to add more images. So let's go back again. Now the image I want to use is not here, so I have to get it from my computer. So I click on this and I click on select, and I want to use something black and other colors I have. So I have black, I have purple, so I have black and control. I have blue, and I think I have purple also. Okay, so let me use these two for now. So you can click on control and or command if you are using a Mac, and you can select multiple product pictures from your PC when you are uploading. So I click on add to gallery. Okay, I can equally add more images. When I scroll down, the system will give me the option to add more images. So you see, I still have it here, and I can keep adding. So this is the plus button. So let's say I click on this plus button, this comes up, and I click, and let's say I want to add another one, which is like white. So I come back. So white, 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 white. Okay, I have purple even here. And yeah, purple and comma white. Okay, so this is white. Oh god, my purple is gone. It's quite unfortunate I can't find the purple right now. It's gone. It doesn't want me to find it. So I'll just go with this. So now I have four colors here. So I can just click on add to gallery and yep. So from here, I have the option to add another image, which is called 360 images. If you want an image which could be turned around, yeah, you can use it. And for that, I would want to use an image from my widget. So presumably, yes, this would do. So I just copy it from my widget and I release it. Okay, now when you're uploading your pictures, there's one good thing you can do here where we have alt text. Alt text is like the name of your image and all those things. So I just go on and I click add to gallery. So from here, I can go to 360 images to have the option to keep adding. Yeah, but I don't want to. So I click on next. And the first one is short description. Short description is the description you want to appear when people are searching for your product. And for that, I want to go with a text I already have copied on my clipboard. Yes. So this is the short description I want to go with. And there is a section I want to delete. So I just select and I delete. So this is my short description, and you can go and add a long description, which is a very detailed description. But from here, I click on next. Okay. Now this is SKU. SKU is a special number you are assigning to your product for you to be able to keep track of them. If you don't add any number, it's fine. But if I want to add a number so that I can track this kind of product, I can say like this is the first mouse product I am creating, and it is ultra thin mouse. So let's say ultra thin, and I call it 000. I have other ultra thin mouses, so this will help me if you stocks to be able to tell customers like you have 20 pieces only to sell. This is where you click it. So here, if you have like let's say 1,000 or yeah, let's say 10,000 of the products, you just click here. I have 10,000 of the products. Now allow back orders. You see here you've clicked on 10,000 products. Back orders is when the 10,000 is finished online. Do you still want to allow people to buy? If yes, then here you have to click it to allow back orders. Allow. And if no, then you have to click do not allow. And allow by notify the customer. Will let the customer buy. However, it will tell the customer this product is not in stock at the moment and you will find it for the customer. So let me go allow and notify the customer. Sold individually. Usually do not click on this or check it, because if you check it, it means people cannot buy two of your product. They will only be able to buy one at a time. Unless you are selling a unique product, you don't want people to buy two because of some promotions. But here it's just open. You can buy as many as you want. Obviously, I want to sell. So now what is the weight of my mouse? My mouse, the weight is 0.3 kg. Let's say my mouse weighs 0.3 kg. So I put the weight here, and the length of the mouse, this is in centimeters, and let's say I go with 25, and the width I go with 5, and the height I go with 2.5. Yeah. And shipping class, if you watch the shipping video, you'll be able to tell the class you are using. So I am using this shipping, is free shipping, and this is processing time. This is not the time it will take the customer to get a product. However, it's the time you take to ship the product from your factory or your warehouse to the customer after he has purchased. So for me, I send my products out every day. So I click on in one business day. Now here attributes. Remember we are creating viable products where we have different colors. So this is where you create the attribute. Now I don't want to use brand because my mouse obviously do not have a brand. But should in case it had a brand, let's say Miniso, let's say Huawei, Samsung, then I would choose brand. But here it has only colors, so I'll just choose colors. Now the colors, what kind of colors am I using? Obviously I have black, I have white, so I can choose the colors from here by selecting this black, and let me see if I have other colors. White, no, there isn't white. So I have the option to add my own color should in case it's not here. So I have add new. So the new one I'm adding is white. Okay. And the next one I want to add is blue. And I also have red. And remember I was looking for the purple. So basically these are the colors I have for my mouse: black, white, blue, red, purple. And I want to show them on the front page so that customers will know the colors and click. So I have checked this. Now from here I go to next. It would take some time because this one is supposed to tell you what you should do. Now default form of variation, I'm just using any color. which color do I want the system to show them first. So I can choose whether the people should see black first or white first or blue first. But here I want any color, so the system automatically generates a color for the first. Now, variations of bulk. So enable all variations. So I want them to have all the variations on, all the colors will be shown and everything. So, okay. Now this is where the fun is. I first have to select a color. So I have black, and how many of them am I selling? And what is the price and the image? So let's say this is virtual. If you want your product is one which is consumed online, this is downloadable if the product is one that they would download but not something you ship to them. So I'm not checking any of these two because my product is a physical product, not digital or downloadable. Now from here I have to choose an image for black. So this is the black color, and I want them to see this color when they choose black. Okay, and what is the price? Now there's a regular price and there's a sale price. The regular price is the price that you are selling the product. So for this product, it's being sold for, let's say, 50 cedis, but I want to tell my customers I have reduced it, so I am selling it at, let's say, 40 cedis. And I can also choose the time frame for this discount. So I can say that this discount only applies from this date to this date. After those dates I have specified, it will go back to the regular price, but I don't want to do it. Now here I also have the same option to choose like the SKU, assign a number and everything like height, centimeter. But obviously it's the same, so I'm not going to do all this. I'm not going to do all this. So I just go from here and I close this. Okay, so I have black and it's done. Now the next one I can do is to click add and choose the next color. Let's say white, and I will also input my normal price. Remember, it's the same price, and I'm giving it at 40. So I choose the image. And now I just want you to also consider this. Some products you will not sell them individually, maybe because they are wholesale products. So you want them to buy it in a certain number, which is like a minimum order. And even though we are not encouraging certain minimum order because of smooth operation, you can equally set minimum order. For instance, this purple one, it has a price of 50 and I'm giving it out at 40 and it's in stock, which means people can buy. Now I can add an SKU as I was saying, so I can go like ultra thin and 01, and I can specify the weight. Remember, the weight is the same as the previous weight, and the length is also the same. The width is the same. Don't mind the numbers; they are just a text number. Now, shipping is same as the parent one, but if in case you want to change and give this one a special shipping, you can equally do it. Now, tax is standard. Okay. Now, if you scroll down, we have minimum and maximum quantities. So here, you can enable minimum and maximum quantity rule. So I say that for this product, the minimum should be 5. You cannot buy less than 5. And you can equally set a maximum if you want. So let's say this for my maximum. Obviously, I don't have maximum. You can buy as many as you want. Now, if I want to group them, this is where I also do the grouping. But I'm not grouping them because they are not group products. And here it is done. You can equally set other rules and other things. So after this, you click on next. Now, upsells are like products you want to show your customers when they are viewing this product. So some of the product from your shop, you can select them here. When you click on this, it would bring out some of your products. Like let's say if I had a product and I start typing, it will show so that I can select them. And cross sales is if your customer is about paying other products you want to show the person. So I click on next. So benefits of buying. Do you have a special message you want to give them? And here I have a special message. And for this mouse, customers can customize the mouse they want to buy in case they buy in large quantity. So I can say we offer free logo printing on. So we offer free logo printing should you buy in bulk. Customize your mouse to have a brand. So I want my customers to have a brand in case they are buying to sell. They don't have a factory, but they will own a brand themselves. Okay. So here, this is where you set a general minimum and maximum order rule for the entire product. Remember the one I set was just specifically for the purple one. But here I can set a general one for the entire product I am creating. So here I can say for this product, you can buy minimum of two, you cannot buy less than two, and let's say maximum you can buy 500. So this one is for the entire one, excluding the purple one. And I want to allow combination. Yes. So allowing combination means someone can pick white, let's say one, and pick black one, making two. So allow combination. But if I choose not to allow combination, then I'm saying they can only buy one color, two, and they wouldn't be able to choose the option to have different. So from here, then I click on next. Now this is where my policy tab is, as from the other video we did, and your shop policy will be here. So here you can set the shipping policy for this product. Assuming it has a special shipping policy, you can click and add, or you can delete the ones you have. And the policy here for cancellation, return, and exchange. So if you don't want people to return this product or exchange it, you can state it here and everything. Now here, enable review. Yes, when someone buys the product, you want the person should be able to say like, oh, this product is good and I give it 5 star. So you can enable it here. And here you can have your menu order, how to rearrange it. You can ignore it. And the purchase note, a special message you want to give your customers when they buy your product. So usually there is a thank you message from the marketplace. But if you want to add another note, you can add it. So I can say, thanks for shopping. Thanks for shopping on my shop name, Demo 123. Feel free to follow our store for discounts and promotion. When I finish, I can go back to